Hello students, welcome to SmartLearn. Before starting today's topic, I am going to tell you the answer of the riddle that we have discussed in my previous video. The answer is egg. So same in this video also, I am going to ask you a riddle at the end of the video. So now let's start the video. Today we will study about types of objects, that is transparent objects, opaque objects and translucent objects. So let's study our first object, that is transparent object. An object that allows light to pass through it is called transparent object. First of all, if you are in a dark room, what you need to see any object is a light. A light, sunlight or any torch. You need these things to watch any object. So in transparent object needs to allow the light to pass through it. Means you can see the other thing clearly. Transparent objects help the objects to see anything clearly which is another side of that object. Let's study it with examples. First is glasses, air, pure water and some plastics. These are the examples of transparent objects. Let's study some more examples. Examples of transparent object. First is pure water. If you pour any water in this, you can clearly see the water. Means pure water is an example of transparent object. It allows light to pass through it. Second is magnifying glass. Magnifying glass is mostly used to see any small objects. Next is specs. Specs that we use to wear it. It also allows light to pass through it. Means by wearing specs you can see the other objects. Air, glass. In this glass also you can see the behind grill, you can see in this water clearly. Means this glass is allowing light to pass through it. Means this is an example of transparent object. Our next topic is opaque objects. An object that does not allow light to pass through it is called opaque object. Means any object that will not allow light to pass through it. Let's take an example. If you are playing hide and seek with your friends and any one of your friend hide behind the door, wooden door, would you able to see him? No. Why? Because that wooden door is an opaque object. Means that will not allow light to pass through it. You cannot see anything what is the other side or who is the other side of that door. That is called an opaque object. Let us study it with examples. First is cardboard, books, wood, metals. These all are the examples of opaque objects. You cannot see anything clearly. You are not able to see anything beside this. So let us study more examples of opaque objects. Examples of opaque objects. Books, buildings, cardboard box, brick wall, door. These all are the examples of opaque objects that will not allow light to pass through it. So next is our translucent objects. An object that allows light to pass through it but partially is called translucent objects. Means any object that you can see but partially. Partially means not clearly. You can see that object but not clearly. Let us study it with examples. Butter paper, sunglasses, tinted windows, and jelly. These are the examples of translucent objects. Let us study it with more clearly with examples. Examples of translucent objects. First is butter paper. Most of you have seen the butter paper. This is mostly used in making cakes. Next is tinted windows. Car. In car you have seen the tinted windows, that the black windows. This is called the tinted windows. Means the person sitting inside the car can see any object or any person outside, but the outside person cannot see who is sitting inside. So you can see it partially. Next is sunglasses, tissue paper, tinted windows. These are the tinted windows that you have mostly seen in your schools or house. In this, you can see the person who is outside, but the outside person cannot see you inside. These are all are the examples of translucent objects. So I hope you understood the concept of types of object. So now it's time for riddle. What goes up and down but does not move? So you have to answer this riddle in the comment box, and in the next video I am going to tell its correct answer. So thank you so much for watching it. I hope you liked it and understood it as well. So do like, share and subscribe if you liked the video. Thank you for watching it. Till then, study hard. Take care. Bye bye.